hikers, my name is Kat and I am your Los Angeles hiking guide. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to get to Eaton Canyon Falls in Pasadena, California. The hike is 4.4 miles round trip, it's over 500 feet in elevation gain, and it takes about 2 hours to complete. The first part of the hike is going to be on a well-established dirt road. About 30 minutes into your hike, you're going to go under a bridge for the second part of your hike, and this is where you'll be crossing the creek several times before reaching the waterfall. This is North Altadena Drive where you're going to drive up from, and the parking lot gates don't open until 8, so if you arrive before then, you can park on the street like we did. For this hike, you don't need a parking pass or need to make reservations, but be sure to stay until the end for frequently asked questions and tips, and we are hiking this on a weekend in February. And now we'll just make our way down to the parking lot where we would have parked. This is the main parking lot, and to our left is the nature center, and the trailhead is at the end of the lot. Here's the trail kiosk with a map, and the trail's gonna continue behind it. You're gonna cross the wash and continue straight. Today the wash was dry, but other times you have to do a little rock hopping to get to the other side. After crossing that wash, you're going to come to a trail junction with the rules of the trail. You'll make a hard left and continue straight. You're going to come across a sign for Coyote Canyon. Just continue straight on the main trail. You're going to come across a sign for another side trail, Walnut Canyon, and just continue straight again. About 25 minutes into your hike, the trail's gonna split. Take the trail on the left for Eaton Canyon Falls. And one way to know that you're on the right trail is to make sure you're going under the bridge. And once you go under the bridge, you're entering the Angeles National Forest. And the second part of the hike, you're gonna be going through the canyon where you'll be crossing the stream several times.
Yeah, someone else to the
About 20 minutes after going under the bridge, the creek is going to lead you to Eaton Canyon's 40-foot waterfall. And now for tips and frequently asked questions. With this hike, just like with any other hike, please make sure to pick up after yourself and leave the trail cleaner than how you found it. It does get crowded on weekends, so get there early or try coming on a weekday, and dogs are welcome but must be kept on a leash. And as of the filming of this video, you don't need a reservation or a parking pass, and there's a main parking lot and an overflow parking. There's also a second parking location. If you continue driving up Altadena Drive, about half a mile from the main entrance, you'll see the smaller lot on your right, and this is the Henninger Trailhead lot, and you'll just hike down and join the main trail we were on. And if you want to go on another waterfall hike that isn't crowded as this one, check out Miller Falls, and I have a video on that hike as well, and I'll link it in the description. And if there's anything I missed, be sure to write it in the comments section for others to see. And that is all I have for you today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. But more importantly, if you want to see more of this type of content, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at HikerOnATrail.